Only attack on me. But Jayden Chase, they have to make the fans them know what really are going on.
What you talking about? Is Jayden place. See me up to the time, you know, a cartel. I represent for Jayden Chase. We spray them face on the AK rays. See me up to the time, you know, the Gaza station.
Yeah, man, now move settings, viewers and subscribers. And we no need no ladder. Gaza Nation and One Nation na dancehall music, and we're there with the Spartan update, viewers and subscribers. The first initial hearing for Tommy Lee Sparta. No. Charges are still not yet been filed. And I hope they find nothing to file these charges. Now the attempt being made, viewers and subscribers, recently, Isaac Buchanan along with a team of other attorneys presented to the Supreme Court that it is unlawful to have individuals. It goes against constitutional right, even though a specific law was implemented by the Ministry of Security. The minute I say, watching at the end of the day, yeah, these laws can be implemented under certain circumstances. But what take place worldwide definitely trumps that currently. What you would have said, it is a matter that is up for debate. But they want the ruling. So, you know what I mean? Detainees matters must be handled swiftly so they can be released. These individuals, some of them have jobs. Remember, just being suspected doesn't mean that you are a certain. But I know, people are follow certain people are called the people in 87s and 97 Octanes. And this is why this area in specific, mobile, these are why these youths, being highly intelligent but not being acknowledged as such, were able to make millions of dollars while still not yet being perceived as people making millions of dollars, because what? Them never get estimated. So people start to say, watching. Yeah, man, there's some look at 87s and them not have no mindset and them not have no that and them not have no way. Wrong thinking. And that is the biggest problem we have locally, viewers and subscribers. We paint the picture as if the major contributor to the situation of crime locally is the music industry or the entertainment industry. Entertainment industry plays a part, yes, but not from the music, from the movies. It's the visuals that really did this. Other than that, it is the lack of opportunity for these intelligent individuals to reap the benefits of their intelligence legitimately. So, them find alternative means. Now, with Tommy Lee Sparta's case in specific, Tommy Lee Sparta has been referred to as a member or someone from the community. Now it has changed. Now they are trying to say he is the leader of this organization. So it changed swiftly. While we all know you cannot be an entertainer and be the leader of any organization that is not musically orientated. And if we can know this, why you feel like Tommy Lee Sparta and know this? This is applied, viewers and subscribers. This is not just the scapegoat mentality. This is the set an example mentality. Because numerous artists from Mobile arise, and one thing they all have in common, they are from troubled communities. And their friends reside in the community. So you see, it's not that dots are being connected. There are dots all over the people. They can connect anyone to anyone. Because remember, they are all from the same community. Them play football together when things never go on. These artists were born rich. Them go to the same high schools. You know what I mean? These are people from the same communities. So it's easy for we say, oh, TJ this, Ranking King that, Tommy Lee Sparta did such. Just like what them do with Vibes Cartel viewers and subscribers. It's almost the same scenario. Just dancehall being blamed for what I would have said is a lack of jobs and opportunities to create jobs too. Because we know in a place where there are no jobs to get, then the only other solution is to create jobs. The music scene, while sponsored by the initial stages by the uptown producers and such, in this day and age, dancehall music has changed. Music overall has changed. And music and entertainment is now one of the sectors where ordinary individuals can either change their situation, they might do better for themselves, or become multi-millionaires. And locally, it's almost like them a try for. But no, them cannot discourage youths from wanting to become entertainers. So them say, alright, the next only solution is the next solution or the next strategy would be to set an example. And we have to start with the biggest artists. No, them tried Vibes Cartel. In the hardcore settings of music right now. Yeah, and the narcos, but the hardcore settings, the Mobi, the Ochi, you know what I mean? Over that side, the West. That music, viewers and subscribers, is fueled with the lifestyle from that side of the island. And now they must start by using Tamale Sparta as a prime example of the do's and the don'ts. Simply that take place. Simply that take place. Notice, people want to make it look like the Spartan said something about these other individuals who are taking it. It was something said about the Spartan why he was taking it. You know, they have not realized the plot. You have not seen the plot. It is not the Spartan who was taking him. Tamale wasn't taking him. And then him talk on everybody else. Everybody else was already mentioned, including him. And I saw him reach where him reach. Facts of the matter. If in the talk and there were no charges against him, them they release him already. His credibility already been shattered. And you know, them release him to the public. But that is not the case. That's not what them are trying to do. An example is what they must seek. I want to know who specifically. Some say the DPP, some say there are other players involved. We don't know. But it is clear this was not for information, of which they made it seem initially. Maybe it has somehow changed, where they must say, yo, we can destroy the character of the artist. So that's, you know what I mean? Him now have that strength on the ground. Or we can just, you know what I mean? Put him behind the bar and say, him being the face as such. As when they call the poster child. That meaning say, the person where, as him, you know his stage name is Tamale Sparta. So everywhere you see him represent, and you know, they must say him the face of the movement. So putting the face of the movement behind the bars, they must say, yo, that would be a way to dismantle it. They must have think from them primitive minds. Remember, you see, you can remove individuals from off of the chessboard. But you see, the mindset that liveth in people will never change. And they will just restage the chessboard again. And this is what they not understand. So as I'm saying, our primary concern should be the fact that even though individuals are so extremely intelligent with them to generate millions of dollars, there are no opportunities for them to do this legally. Because remember, you can be smart and intelligent, but if you don't have your CXC subjects, it will be very hard for you to obtain a job. You're not getting a job. So God, you're going to know somebody. Even though you are extremely intelligent. Some would say, why you're intelligent that never finish or never have your CXC subject. Well, numerous reasons are test for that. And we are talking about people from the inner city. So it can be anything from financial to numerous reasons. Even people from the rural side. It's the same thing. So, put that in perspective before you even think right where you go right. You know what I mean? Yeah, it can be any reasons from financially to numerous others. Being with child at an earlier age. You know what I mean? Being caught up in different situations. Being accused, as I say I go on right now. You know what I mean? So the reasons vary. Pick one. Vice the one called Jayden Chase though. And the first hearing has officially started. You know what I mean? Freedom for the Spartan. Freedom for Vibes Cartel, which is freedom for dancehall music. It's all the people who react to WAP. The WAP freestyle, yes. Them have dancehall behind the bars. And I think they know. I think they know this. the system's investment is in reggae at this moment in time. Because more reggae artists are signed to major labels, and reggae artists are already more booked for bigger festivals in Europe. And I think over the years, reggae has really submitted somewhat to the system. If the system don't talk about certain content, reggae superstars refuse to do so. Yeah, man, now move settings, fam. You know the settings. Live, love, and prosper until we reason again.